What's up everybody, it's Sean here and I'm back today to give you a review of the Converse Chuck 70 High for Kith's 10-year anniversary in this black colorway. Today's video is sponsored by Heffelux. Heffelux is my all-time favorite sneaker insoles, which essentially is the same material used for Adidas Boost. So if you're looking to add some additional comfort inside your shoes, be sure to check out their website, which I've linked down below, and you'll see they sell 4 different insole options. So really depending on the type of insole density and thickness you're looking for, whether that's for a pair of winter boots or for sneakers, you're gonna find something for everybody. So I've been a paying customer of Heffelux for years now, and I honestly stand by their products. They definitely are truly comfortable, and they make a big difference for my sneakers. So if you guys wanna save 15% off your entire purchase, be sure to use the code SEANGO at checkout. So this pair is a collaboration between Kith and Converse, releasing to celebrate Kith's 10-year anniversary, which is this year. So I grabbed these on Kith's website on October 31st for $130 US, which is the equivalent to roughly 165 Canadian, and the official colorway for this shoe is black, aigrette, and multi. So while the black pair was the more general release pair, there was an extremely limited friends and family white pair as well. And supposedly for those that ordered the black pair, Kith would randomly sprinkle in a few of those white pairs, but unfortunately I wasn't one of the ones that got lucky. So first things first, here's a quick look at the box. This comes in this black colored cardboard box, and printed throughout we have the different logos and graphics used by Kith throughout their 10 years. And on the top we have Kith and Converse co-branding done in this white colored finish, and inside the box they come with this black colored dust bag, which is a very nice added touch. As for the shoes, so this is your classic Chuck 70 silhouette, which is the more premium take on the classic Chuck Taylor All-Star. So the upper of the shoe is entirely constructed out of this black colored canvas. And then similar to the box that we just saw, printed throughout this canvas, we have all these different Kith logos they've used throughout their campaigns throughout the past 10 years. So these are predominantly printed in this white colored finish, but there are accents of color throughout. And then running down the center of the back heel, we have another strip of canvas, which gives you added reinforcement for the back of the shoe. And then taking a look at the medial side, so again we have all these different logos printed on top, and we have a circular leather patch with Kith 2011 to 2021 branded on top. And this patch is removable, so if you take it off, it just looks like an empty patch of Velcro. One thing to note though is initially I thought that the graphics were entirely random and that no two pairs would be alike. However, when I took a closer look, I noticed that the medial side of the right foot and the lateral side of the left foot were pretty much identical. And similarly, the medial side of the left foot and the lateral side of the right foot are also pretty much identical. So let me know in the comment section down below if your pairs are also like this or if yours are a little bit more random. Moving on with the shoe, we have these matte black colored metallic eyelets, which runs up the entire length of the shoe. And then intertwining through this, we have your standard flat style black laces. In addition to the black laces, they also give you a white and cream colored lace as well, if you want to add some more contrast and pop to the look of this pair. Underneath the laces, we have this full canvas tongue, which also has the same Kith graphics printed on top. And then moving on to the insoles, so these come with a double stacked foam padded insole, and we have Kith and Converse co-branding stamped on the heel. So the upper of the Chuck Taylor sits atop this rubber cup sole, which is done in this slightly off-white cream colored finish. On the lateral side of the forefoot, we have this rubberized branding with the Kith 10-year anniversary logo. And then on the back heel, we have your standard Converse All-Star Chuck Taylor branding done in a combination of black and white. And then turning the shoe over to the bottom, here we have your classic Chuck Taylor All-Star outsole. So we have this diamond-shaped traction pattern on the forefoot, along with Converse All-Star branding right in the center. So that breaks down the look and the construction of these Chuck Taylors. And for those wondering how these fit, so to me these fit like all my other Chucks, so personally I opt to go a full size down. So I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side. I can wear between a 9 and a 9.5 depending on the release, but for this pair I got these in a 9 and they fit me perfectly in a nice snug way. If you have really wide feet, you'd probably be better off going only a half size down, but if you have narrow, normal, or slightly wide feet, a full size down is probably what I'd recommend. Moving on to comfort, so overall the Chuck Taylor is what it is. All the comfort you're feeling is coming from that very padded foam insole. So with that said, it's actually not bad. However, this shoe does run a little bit narrow, and it's not particularly my favorite shoe to wear for many hours in a day. However, if you're someone that loves the feeling of Chucks on feet, then you're probably gonna love these as well. So it really comes down to personal preference on how you define comfort. Finally, in terms of the overall quality and craftsmanship, so the material quality was decent, the canvas, it is what it is, and this is a Chuck 70, which is technically the more elevated take on your Chuck Taylor model. So we have a thicker, sturdier midsole and more cushioning within the insole than your normal Chucks. And in terms of the overall build and craftsmanship, I really had no flaws with my pair. I thought Converse did a pretty solid job. So with all that out of the way now, let's lace up these Kith Converses and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. Overall, between this black pair and the white pair, I definitely prefer the white one a lot more. Not because it's limited, but I'm just someone that prefers more lighter based or white based sneakers over black. For what it is though, I guess it's a nice homage to Kith's 10-year anniversary, but for my personal taste, I think it's a little bit too busy looking for me. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this Converse and Kith 10-year anniversary Chuck 70 High. What are your overall thoughts on the design and this all over print on the shoe? Is this something you guys are feeling, or was this an easy pass for you? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. You can follow me on Instagram at esco8, check me out on Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website as well at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.